Capstone 2, Rising Temperatures in North America. Rising temperatures in North America causes a significant threat that includes melting of multi-year sea ice, mass loss from the Greenland ice sheet, reduction of terrestrial snow cover, and permafrost degradation. Also, North America is predicted to experience a considerable negative changes in animal population. Finally, the outbreak of insects in combination with other factors is predicted to cause extensive forest damage. Thus, outbreaks of insect pests such as geometrid moths can even reduce the strengths of CO2 sinks in some areas. The region of North America is vulnerable because a lot of its areas are covered with snow and that melts in higher temperatures. Besides Arctic Sea, ice appears to have a strong influence on Alaskan, Arctic, and climate in general by modulating exchange of mass energy and momentum between the ocean and atmosphere. The forecast regarding environmental changes, the Arctic surface, as well as atmospheric temperatures, will continue to increase even faster in comparison to the global temperatures. Arctic sea ice is expected to decline significantly and become thinner. North America will have a late summer season, and the temperature of water in Arctic Sea will increase gradually. The forecasted impact in communities of North America will be considerable. Thus, some commercial activities are predicted to bring more profit, and in other activities will be eliminated. Increased navigability on the territory of Arctic Ocean will provide more economic opportunities. However, this factor will cause difficulties for hunting marine mammals. The solutions to the problems are enhanced observation, monitoring, warning, and other vital systems. Also, it is essential to improve communication, education, and training of the community members.